All right guys, I'm here at a bee job in Kissimmee. This house is for sale. You can see all the poor dead bees in that window. Poor guys. They have swarmed in this ceiling. And they are dying like crazy in here. So, if you come in the closet, you can see the bees right there. I can hear them roaring in the ceiling. Go outside and see if I can figure out where they're at. All right, you can see the bees going in that eave right there. Right there. So, we'll get the equipment out and get these guys removed. So these bees are running down that 2x4 all the way down to the eave on this side of the 2x4. So we're gonna have to rip out the wall on the other side. So we're gonna have to rip out this wall, unfortunately. That is all honey. Big time honey. About 6 foot of bees in this wall and in the ceiling. Now, I just gotta find the queen. Look at all the babies. All of this is all babies. She's laying 2,000 eggs a day. This is a giant hive. Good Lord. Tons of honey. Keep at it. So excited. I 100% got the queen. For sure. Sucked her up in the vac. So now it's just working them out. She popped right out and I sucked her right up in the vac. Now, and you can see over there thousands of bees. See those black spots? That is thousands of bees. Here in the attic, see if we can ease over here. That's all to the roof. See if I can reach these guys. Oh, that's bees. Yikes. I'm outside now and you can see that it's about 10 gallons of wax and honey. Now I just got to clean the bees up. About got it all cleaned up. You can hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There may be 20 or so bees flying around in here. There's a couple up there, a couple up there. There's no way to get them all because the hole is going to the outside. You can see in here in the closet, I had to tear this out to make sure the bees weren't over here. They were not. There's a 2x4 right there and they were coming in the attic, right? There's a rotten spot right over there and they were coming down this wall. So you have to patch that little spot there. And then in here, you're just gonna have to seal up that hole right there. It's a little rotten spot. Patch this and then go in the attic and patch the roof. Here we are back at the house. I've dumped them on the ground here. See that they're going to this hive. I got some frames in there. I don't see the queen yet. She's in there. See if we'll see her in a minute. She might already went in the hive. Pretty cool, a lot of bees. Oh, there she is. There she is right there. See her? I'll catch her, put her in a clip. All right, I got her. There's the queen in the clip. I'll put her in the hive. There she is. She'll go down. There she is. All right, going down, this queen. There you go. In the hive now. I didn't put her in a clip, so they all should be going in a little bit. Another successful job.